we did have a few people question merging and not understanding merging. So whenever you have, and this is not a great example, this is a husband-wife, you wouldn't want to merge them, but let's just say we have two Hannah Van Burens, okay? And we wanted to merge those two records together. Whenever you have two checked multi-select records, you have two of them checked. If you have three, it doesn't work. If you only have one or none, it doesn't work. But if you have two of them selected, this merge contacts option becomes available. In which case, whenever you select that, it will show you both records. This is record number one, in which case it says Hannah. This is record number two, which if I had a duplicate, it would also say Hannah. In this case, it's Martin. But you can choose which one that you want the records to go into. So from this record is going to be put into this record. So we've changed the terminology. Before I had it set up as being target over here and source over here, and a few people had indicated that that didn't quite make sense to them. So we've changed the verbiage on it to hopefully make it a little bit clearer. If for some reason this person that's on the left-hand side has more data and you want to keep it intact the way it is, you can swap their locations left and right side so that you're still doing from this side, but now it's the one that was on the other side. So from this record to this record. I could then come in here and say, well, I want to bring over that address. I want to bring over this, whatever it is that you want to bring over. You bring it over, you click on copy selected to the right. So anything that's selected would be copied into the slot on the right. Once you see you got everything the way you want it, then you can save the changes. At that point, whenever you save the changes, this record is kept in the main active list of database records. This one is put into the deleted list. So,
and you can bring also the notes, right?
Yes, notes are in there as well. So notes, so I can come over here and select multiple notes, copy to the right, so it puts them there, and then save the changes. So something to help make it a little bit easier to understand from this record into this record. Hope that makes sense.